and you can find the video. Your car. Well, this is a recreation of the 300 SLR that was famous and made Sterling Moss famous in the Mille Miglia race in 1955. And Mercedes built 10 of these cars, destroyed one in the worst auto wreck in auto racing, and made 2 gull wings, and the rest were roadsters. And Sterling Moss raced one of these. The other 2 roadsters, one of them just sold last year for 142 million, and the other one is in Stuttgart Museum. The original cars you can't buy, they're all in museums. Wow. This particular one was built in Redmond, Washington, by some guys from an aircraft plant that decided to build these, and they got registered as an automotive manufacturer. They started to produce them, and they made 8 of them before Mercedes-Benz found out and said you can't make any more. So this is one of 8 that came from there. Wow. And it came to a man in Willie Knocker in Kitchener, Ontario, who bought it in 1987, and he started working on it, and he knew all about what it was because he's from Germany. And he got so far with it that he had to move to Port Elgin, and then he put it in the backyard, and it sat there. And I found it one day out for a walk, and I thought it was a Corvette covered with a tarp. And when I finally met him, he asked me one day at a Winterhawks banquet, "Do you want to buy that car?" And I said, "Sure, I'll buy it." So I bought it off him, and then I worked from 2009 basically to the present day doing stuff on it. But it's one of 8. That's great. That's awesome. Give me an Auga. What does it say? What does it say? Hey, it's all the usual suspects. It's all the usual suspects. Look at it, I got a new card now. Yeah, look at it. You're on the wrong side! You're on the wrong side! What you got? Love it. Okay, give you a video. Thanks, buddy. No problem. That's really cool. That's cool, unique. Yeah. So many of these, brother. 1 of 10 in Canada or something. Wow. That's awesome. Yeah, yeah.
color cabinets mounted on the front fender was a standard that they did for years. And these guys always did this. Yeah.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good. Yourself?
Good. Oh wow.
This is a unusual car.
It is. Do you got any questions? I'm right here.
All right. What year is it?
1962.
1962. So tell me about your car.
Okay, it's a Studebaker. a lot of it's original right now. It was built in South Bend, Indiana.
Yeah.
At their big manufacturing plant. And in 62 and 63, these were the fastest production car built out of all the automakers in North America. It comes standard with a 289 Studebaker V8.
Wow.
Standard with a 4-speed.
Yep.
You could get a 2-barrel carburetor at 210 horse, a 4-barrel carburetor at 225, or a supercharger right out of the factory at 285.
What does this one have?
It's got a 289 4-barrel.
Nice.
Standard with a 4-speed shifter on the floor.
Awesome.
The seats are standard in the front.
That's great. I'm gonna. I like the wheels. They're nice. Hi. Is that yours? No. Oh, here. Tell you what. That's no problem.
Left of last night behind, and I need to get some peace of mind. And when I need some peace of mind, I know where to find it. By the end of the road, so I walk and I keep on walking. I wear are a mess. As I walk, and I keep on walking. And I'm at the end.
Yeah, all the regular suspects.
keep my mind off things I'd be better off to leave behind. Gotta be careful
I like this little bug.
not to get
Yeah, it's one of my favorites too.
so
I like the
can
I like the
keep
paint job on this thing.
Yeah, that was done up here in Myersburg. Probably over 30 years ago now.
Wow, they did a nice job on it.
I've switched the windows and changed the mirrors and different things on it since I bought it. I bought other things that
That's pretty nice. That's a pretty nice looking car. Yeah, I just looked at that one. There's one there, there's one there, there's one there, there's one. Thanks for joining me at Sauble Sunset Cruisers Cruise Night in Sauble Beach. If you like this video, give it a like. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. That really helps me out. Check out some of these videos that are on the screen right now.